Right.
It didn't work.
Excuse me, please. It's alright.
You might as well sit in the door and block half.
I think the aim of the game is to protect your base.
Nah, come on!
Oh, it's the cameraman almost fucking shot the cameraman. Uh-oh. Not a good idea.
What's that, shoot the cameraman?
Quick, he walks past, shoot him in the arse.
Let's see if how well that stabilisation works.
Who's that?
He's got a stabilisation gyro pod, hasn't he? Cack him in the arse and see if he does that.
No, they're shaking.
No, I'm not going to touch you, don't worry.
The fact that I've got range on the castle window.
How often do people shoot the shield?
You'd be. I'll show you. Look at every.
He's got a splodge pen to mark every hit.
Every blue dot's a hit.
Oh my god.
And they're all dents.
That's the fourth person to walk back from that. What the fuck? What? I've got max of days on me, I can do that.
Oh yeah, come on then.
I was smart. Bring more mags.
Guys, right on the ridge.
Oh, they
On
will.
the ridge.
They'll come up on the ridge and try and come down. So if they get that spot, they can fire over to their capture objective.
Yeah, good. Oh, sorry, fella.
It's alright, I didn't feel it.
Wooden barricade up on the top right. Get him.
What?
Come on, motherfucker!
Tank, you've been it, mate. You caught it in the chest plate.
Okay, yeah.
They're dropping down on them. They're pushing up on the left hand side to sniper tower 2.
There's a guy on the sniper tower.
Thank you. Don't like putting 8 into you, I shouldn't fucking need to. Whoa!
Ow.
Scared the shit out of me! I just took a whoop. Straight down. Up. Right, dude, with the scorpion Evo, watch it. Don't want you cough me in the back of the head.
Wooden barricade top right, one leaning on the left side.
Oh. There they come. I love seeing them come towards me. I think that's beautiful.
Watch your back foot.
Yeah.
Your back foot.
Not mine.
No, not yours. Right, it's your guy.
Oh, right. What's beyond it?
What's your head?
No,
No.
Oh, right.
Toe sticking out. Like they've just tried.
Well, if we've got any brain cells, then would.
That's debatable.
Oh, oh. You can shoot at me all you want. This guy behind the IBC.
One on the wall of the barricade.
Every single one of these are hurting. My arm's knackered.
Hit!
Nice shot.
Oh yeah, one shot.
Left hand side, what's the left?
Top right hand side! Shit, pinned! Shit. Fucking Nora! Ah! Oh, hit! Good shot! Fucking how'd that come from? You? Dickhead. I'm a lovely person, I collect Care Bears.
Friendly fight does count.
You didn't see nothing.
I couldn't care less. Actually,
You either said you shot or you cook them.
Shot me there, and I shot you there.
What?
Look at that, get him, get him, get him. Defend your honour.
Yeah.
Nothing, he said you're lovely.
Look behind, you can take care of it.
Oh. And I got all of that on camera.
He hopes.
No, I did. Got 6 batteries, I'm chewed through 4 already.
I have had a few people say this that
It goes 80 meters, but why don't I feel it?
Are we blasting up the camera guy?
Someone shoot the camera.
I shot him first. And after that, no, that wasn't first.
Point of pride, I did it first.
No, I did it first and I apologize. I did not know that there was a camera guy. You know, he needs to say press, you know, like in Ukraine.
That's got some zip on it when that hits.
Try.
No, because I'm not likely to shoot you with it.
Everyone's down, I will try and play, but they are short-handed marshals.
Everyone's expecting to play. She fucking lied to me. Said she could play. So I was like, okay, I'll come there. Let's not fucking play!
It's quite interesting actually, because I was quite far forward.
Yeah.
And everybody's turned their attention to me. You should have heard my shield
Where's your shield?
on the floor. It sounded like, wait, do you mind? Get that barrel out of my face.
It's not loaded.
I don't suppose you've got any Allen keys in a massive bag for yours there.
No.
It's not essential, it's okay.
I've got one at the safe side.
No, I need to buy myself a gas one.
I haven't got a full set of Allen keys, just one.
Just one?
Yeah. Yeah. The only issue I've got with this, right, it weighs three pounds or whatever it fucking weighs. But after you've got your arm stretched out for a long time, it starts becoming 10, 20, 30 pounds. That feels light as a feather.
That is light as a feather.
I know, but after a while with an arm outstretched,
That's a good point.
yeah. I don't call them dumbbells for no reason, you know what I mean? What have I got today? All in the face.
Yeah, I was in the middle of bunker literally holding on my own because someone died. Right? I was getting shot right side, left side.
Oh, sorry.
That was painful.
No, I need to thank you. I have a melodrama coming soon in my YouTube channel.
And I hurt my knee.
If you want stupidity, stupid noises, you name it. Night games are worse though.
You know what though? It was another episode of Five Nights at Freddy's, right? Because I was in the middle bunker, I was looking right side, shooting all of them, and then I looked left side and there was someone like way closer than they were before. I was like, I shot 2 people and someone shot me in the head. I was like, great. Great shot, Wood. Great. At least I'm here though. I could have decided not to come. And Stuart let me be. My back's hurting from carrying that.
What on earth?
He knows I'm not going to play fair enough.
I think he's still inside
No gas.
the firing.
Oh, I'm out.
You know when I was down on the right side, when I pushed through the wall?
Vorsk, 5.1.
If you see, no, I went
Right. Oh yeah. Got about 5 of the fuckers. There we go. Alright, so they're tons of fun. I gave this a name. I gave it my daughter's name, Jess. I'm just going to get it like inscribed eventually. And I'm not allowed this in the house. Mrs. does not let me keep weapons in the house.
Run around about a Magnus pointer.
Yeah, we've got a whole box of fucking Nerf in the shed. Same thing, just painfuller. Turns out I emptied a mag on you.
Yeah?
Gas as well. You know when I was shooting.
Yeah. But did it hurt?
Oh yeah. I didn't tickle.
But this is not upgraded. Once I upgrade it, then it's gonna be ticklish.
Oh, that certainly didn't tickle. Get in place.
I shall get out of the way!
Put him back. Oh shite. Oh, so I've got to come out?
So if you've not been shot twice, you've got to straight into the use your life automatically.
Right, so I've got to stay by that side of you. I ain't got a fucking clue.
Oh, wait, Sam, if I ain't dead, I've got to give myself up.
Use that life if you want to stay in there.
No, right.
So if you stay in there, you've only got one life.
Ooh. Behind the IBC.
What IBC left hand on the zombie wall, close right.
Ah! Good shot, sir. Marshall, where's the respawn? Respawn.
Don't have respawn. If you've been shot in this section, you've got to be shot.
Your pistol.
Thank you. Sorry, over it.
Last life in any of the white buildings.
Cool.
And once you've got your last life taken, it's back to center. Yeah?
That's fine. Sorry, yes.
I like it. It's so cool.
Force Kai Kappa 5.1 Vengeance Edition.
I like purple.
And my maglove's dropping out on its own.
Oh yeah, no,
I'm moving. There we go, they're pushing! Push to the left! You sir, class.
You see where my rounds are going? Yeah. Come to my left, you'll see him better. Did you count the second floor?
Yes.
I see them with my shots will not get.
Got one!
He's gonna be fucking salty as fuck.
That was the girliest scream ever!
Someone just shit themselves. I think it was shit. That sounded like my dad.
On brakes! Second barricade down!
You two are fucking crazy.
To be honest, I always try to beat your fucking ADHD. You tend to hide because you're up to fucking balls. I've
There's a lot of them on the left. Here it comes. One in container! Gotcha. Whoever's texting me, I love you to bits. Whoever you are. But I can't answer your call right now, because simple fact is I'm getting shot at!
Right side! Right side! Right side!
eBay, thank you very much. How bad? How bad? I can't move! Guys, I've got 5 people this side! Shit, one pushing up next to van! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 6 now! This side!
Marshall, move! Marshall, get shot.
7! This side! Out of ammo, someone take over! Guys, They are really pushing on the left, there's 7 of them. They're all on the fucking left-hand side.
Am I pushing left?
Yes.
Big push to the left! Reinforce left!
I could have swore I said that 5 times.
After them!
I'm going over there.
Yeah, they're on the back of the casino, guys. Back of the casino. Right in front of us.
Oh, hit! Good game! 1 grenade kill, I'm happy with that.
Oh, what is this?
And that.
You! Dickhead.